in Hagerstown, Maryland. AMA Pro Racing Round 4, 2013. Heck, it started out as an awesome night from the get-go. I mean, qualifying, I felt really good. The times weren't there, but as soon as I went out for the heat race, man, we walked away in the heat race despite having a restart. Same thing in the Dash for Cash, and heck, I had the starts down tonight. It was just the thing was hooked off the line, hooked out of the corners. I mean, the thing wasn't spinning wheel unless I wanted it to. And you know, we won the dash, then went out for the main event, and you know, Kevin was telling me, it's like, hey man, just be patient for the first get-go if you don't get off the line first. And I'm like, I just feel like getting the whole shot and running away. And that's exactly what happened. I mean, I took a couple peeks over my shoulder coming out at 2 a couple times, and I couldn't see anybody, so I knew I had a pretty good lead. So I just kept on riding smooth and just didn't want to slip a wheel. I knew every time I spun up, that's when you lose time, and there wasn't very many times where I was spinning up. And it just feels amazing to get my first win here. I mean, I think Nicky Hayden got his first win here, and a couple other really big names got their first win here. So it finally feels good to get it out of the way.
All right, come on, show some emotion. What are you going to do to celebrate?
Heck, I don't know. It's I got the points lead, got my first win. I guess see what Hagerstown has for me tonight, I guess. But we got Peoria next weekend, we got Elma. You know, it's like I'm gonna carry this momentum. Not that I haven't had momentums with a lot of podiums, but I don't know, we're gonna have fun tonight, and I'm gonna go home on Monday and put my head down even harder. It's just one of those things that you think people kind of sit back and relax after they start doing good, but it just gives me more motivation to work harder and feel better about myself. So I feel really good. We're going to have fun tonight and drive back to Michigan, get ready for Peoria, head west, and hopefully pick up the same deal and do it in front of all my friends and family from the home state in Elma, Washington. It's only about an hour from where I live, so hopefully we can do it there again, and that'd be my official dream come true to do that.